y'all, it's Sid back in a couple another video. And today, oh my goodness, today we're gonna actually be vlogging. So right now, me and my roomie, my big sus, we're going to Cheesecake Factory, and we're supposed to be putting on fits and going there, but like the little fit part is just not working out for me. Like the fit part, that's where we pushed it at. But I'm gonna find something to wear. Like, I know I have clothes, I just don't wear them. And I kind of want to wear pink. We're gonna figure it out. I said I had a lot of outfits. I was gonna put that together, but then I was like, nah. Then I was gonna put that together, then I was like, nah. But I got this shirt and these pants, so I'm like, maybe I'll put that together with these shoes. I might say nah later, but we'll figure it out. I really want to wear, I'm most likely going to wear this because it's hot in here and I'm hot and I just want to wear it. Actually, I'm wearing my crop top. Forget it. We're wearing the crop top. This is the fit for today. We're gonna put this on and see how I like it, and if I don't like it, then we're gonna put on something else until I like it. Guys, so we had changed what we was wearing. Well, I changed, but we have a theme now. We're going with the sweater type dress up thing, and this is my little outfit. We at the Cheesecake Factory. I don't want Alfredo. I want Cajun pasta.
What's the difference? It's hot.
Cajun pasta has nothing to do with Alfredo sauce. It's a different type of sauce. They all
It's
knew
pasta.
that. We gotta get a thumbnail later. So us being material girls, we have to wait an hour and 30 minutes. Oh my God, do they have Pandora in here? I should have brought my necklace. Well, I should have brought my piece to my necklace.
You brought your necklace?
Yep. I still got it on though. I love you, Dad. Hey, put that back. Y'all, this is the rich people mall. I can't afford nothing up in this mug. They got Louis Vuitton, St. Laurent, Tiffany. I never even seen any of these stores, bro. Never seen none of them. Kate Spade, I never seen that in person. Bro, I've never, like, what? Oh my gosh. I'm too broke. I'm a real broke college student. I can't do this. We got to get out this mall. Bro, they got security at the door and all type of stuff.
Let me see security.
And Louis. Never even heard of this. You be Santa else and go in there? It look fun. Chess. I don't know how to play chess, but we can play checkers. What? This a cute scene for pictures, though. I ain't gonna hold you.
They're taking pictures. Yes, you gotta get angles. All about angles and light. Stop playing with them. We're in this big mall.
I gotta remake my video because then you said I was recording the wrong way, but I'm JT, y'all, so all my socials and stuff gonna be right there. She put this in the video.
Okay, we're gonna stop taking.
Add me. Make sure I scan my QR code. Add me. Okay, what's this? Kate Spade.
That's cute. God, give us a sponsor. We need money. We need to pay our tuition. So I'm thinking about pranking. Oh, we ain't see that part. We ain't see none of this. Oh my God, y'all! It's a Gucci store. I never seen that ever in my life.
Shit, go in and look at a price tag.
But
Right.
it's $300 for some
No.
It's $3,000 for some socks. When I be looking up stuff on Google.
Oh, pasta right there. That's like
It's not open. Close that. Bro, you don't see nobody in there.
Yes.
They want to go get some Italian food. That's where y'all want to eat at? That's where y'all want to eat at? Oh. I want some cheesecake.
You gonna get that cheesecake?
Well, what's that? How that song go? Can we hop in the Benz? What'd he say?
If we hop in the Benz, is that okay?
That's a nice car.
Yeah, if I call you, no problem.
Hey, yeah. Okay. Yeah.
You want the shit with the red at the bottom?
Commercials where the people be on the mountains. But they got a Peloton store in here. Wow. Got a pickleball in here.
Cool. You can't read today?
I'm gonna just turn this off. Do a food review. We should do a food review. From Cinnabon, then we're gonna do one from Cheesecake Factory. So I think I'm gonna try these cookie bun bites. I don't know.
Can I get a classic cinnamon?
They don't look good. She lied. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I had lied to myself. I told myself I was gonna get the cookie bun, but I ain't do that. I got a mini bun so I can get the cheesecake later.
It's my turn to vlog. But yeah, this cinnamon bun not standing a chance with me. I don't know if I'm just hungry or what.
Once I get cheesecake later, I'm indecisive about which kind of cheesecake I want. So that's gonna be like 10 minutes.
I get them a good 9 out of 10. I get them a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, these are big. Like, okay, that's how big it is here, but back home, this is how big ours is in Chicago.
Yes.
All right, give me the food. You can turn the camera on. I give it a 3 out of 10. No, I'm just glad I just messed that joint up, boy. I give it a 10 out of 10. That joint was hard. Cheesecake Factory need to count their days because I'm hungry. They trying to finesse y'all. It say free water, but they weren't trying to buy the cup. It's nice though. That's what I came in here for. It's nice.
What?
But she has way more tries than me. Have camise. Bro. What? Go right here? That boy didn't even get up. He didn't get up.
Driving the bus. Your first stop, pick up 2 people. Your second stop, you pick up 3 people. Your last stop, the third stop, pick up 4 people. Your last stop, you drop everybody off. What color was the bus driver here?
color is the bus driver hair? My last stop, I dropped everybody off. No color. No color.
Driving the bus.
Y'all, this got to be an obvious answer. Hold on.
Driving the bus, your first stop.
Who is driving?
Shut up. You driving the bus. Your first stop, pick up 2 people. Your second stop, pick up 3 people. Your third stop, pick up 4 people. Your last stop, you dropping everybody off.
My hair color.
Okay then.
Well, what is it?
It's black, natural, whatever. 4B.
Cheesecake Factory is taking too long.
Girl, what you just said?
Cheesecake Factory is taking too long.
I can't see your lips.
Cheesecake Factory is taking too long. Cheesecake Factory is taking too long.
Bro, it looks like you just cheesing and moving your mouth.
She said cheese and just moving your mouth.
Oh, you're right. Cheesecake Factory is taking too long.
The Cheesecake Factory,
It's taking too long.
they taking too long.
Sydney. Sydney.
Why would you turn it off?
I turned it off?
Yes, that's
That
my
means you had
song.
the wrong.
Somebody texted you.
Smell my shoes.
Somebody texted you. Somebody texted you.
Somebody text me.
That one might not be.
What were you saying?
I said Tamaya texted you.
So now we is exploring Apple because we don't got nothing better to do. Y'all, the Apple people like they work at Target with these red shirts on. This is what I got. Y'all know these don't come with the little things no more, so he got those.
And I got these too. Where they at? I got some solos. Some studio solo.
Apple got these speakers.
Sponsor us, Apple.
Apple, we promoting y'all.
I don't really mess with this.
So we going from Apple. Can't even see that. Next stop, Gucci.
My name is Sydney Ramsey, and I want to give this award for being the greatest person to talk to, Camille Smith.
I just want you to know that I'm always here and gonna forever be here. Thank you.
Girls' night.
So we in, I can't read that, y'all. But she got candles, spray.
And take my soul away. She said.
Guys on the track, whoa!
Smelling candles, y'all.
Their shea butter, very soft.
And you supposed to, it say sniff to reset your nose, and it worked for real. You sniffed it, then you can't smell nothing, and then you smell a candle.
I like fruity scents,
What is this?
but on the flip side, I like masculine
It
scents.
don't say, but that's what it smells
My
like.
2 favorite is midnight.
Oh, I like that.
If I told you I love you, you should know it's real. Cause I don't tell no one I love you. Cause love can get you killed, okay. Love can get you hurt, what else? Put inside the dirt, but I just wanna know if you can hold me down. Hop inside the whip so we can drive around. After that we
When we up, next stop, Gucci. Y'all, we can't even afford security at the door. Girl, the face of Tiffany and Company. finally time for us to eat. Y'all, Sydney had the text message for 6 minutes and didn't say nothing.
Mom, I went to Gucci.
You ready, Jordan?
So I got the Cajun shrimp pasta. I mean the Cajun chicken pasta
$8.
with extra sauce. She got the shrimp scampi with extra sauce. My food's pretty good. It's not spicy like I thought it was gonna be, but it's over decent.
Thank you.
And BC, we on the safe side. Wait for the chicken.
Have some more water. Hey guys,
So I rate my food 8 out of 10. I rate the service a 5 out of 10 because he was taking too long, and then he didn't give me a to-go. He didn't give me a to-go fork for my cheesecake, and that was a red flag.
Well, I get my food a good 7 out of 10. It took too long, so by the time I got there, I wasn't even hungry no more for real. The service, I give him a good 6. He was gone for too long. He wasn't checking in like he was supposed to.
Oh, me suitcase.
wait, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Food, a 6. Service was a 6.6. And yeah.
Anyways, guys, that's all for this video, cause yeah.
I got the IS. I'm ready to go to bed.
Bye.
She know she bad, ain't got a brag, baby, I love that. She independent.